welcome! Today I'm making chocolate covered pretzels inspired by the Samoas Girl Scout Cookie. If you like the chocolate caramel toasted coconut combo, this one is for you. It can also be made gluten-free if you use gluten-free ingredients. To get started, place about a cup of coconut in a pan on medium heat. You're going to want to spread it out and keep an eye on it, stirring occasionally until it turns kind of a caramel color. Then remove from the heat and set aside to use as a topping on the pretzels later. Next, it's time to get the chocolate and caramel sauces ready. I melt them down in the microwave, but you can also use a double broiler if you prefer. I would recommend melting down 1 cup of chocolate per dozen pretzel rods. You can use chocolate melts or chocolate. I'm using chocolate chunks and adding a little bit, probably about a teaspoon or so of oil to the mixture to give them a shinier, more finished look. Pop the chocolate in the microwave for 15-second increments, stirring in between until it's melted down. Depending on your chocolate and the power of your microwave, this would probably take about a minute or 2. And I just wanted to show you, this is about the consistency that you're looking for in your chocolate. For the caramel sauce, you won't need as much as the chocolate since it's being used as a drizzle over the top. So I melted about 1 cup of the caramel bits with a splash of milk and microwaved it about 1 minute until everything is combined. Now for the assembly, I place a cookie rack over a tray that is lined with parchment. I also poured my chocolate sauce into a narrow, tall container to make it easier to dip the pretzels in. Once your pretzel is dipped, place it on top of the rack and then sprinkle on some of your toasted coconut and drizzle with the caramel sauce all over the top, kind of going back and forth with a spoon. Once your pretzels are drizzled with caramel, move your pretzels onto a tray lined with parchment and let set in the refrigerator approximately 15 minutes until the chocolate and caramel is set. You can use the chocolate and coconut and caramel that kind of falls beneath the baking tray and use that on your oatmeal or on yogurt or ice cream. It makes a delicious topping. These are so delicious. The rich chocolate flavor paired with the sweet chewiness of the caramel and the crunchiness of the toasted coconut tastes amazing, at least in my opinion. I hope you give this one a try and enjoy.